Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using plug and charge with supported networks step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your vehicle's software is up to date. Check if your electric vehicle supports the plug and charge feature. Locate the list of supported charging networks for your car model. Register for an account with the charging network if necessary. Open the app or website of the charging network. Log in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section. Enable the plug and charge option if it is not already activated. Add your vehicle's identification information if required. Save the changes to your account settings. Find a nearby charging station that supports plug and charge. Drive to the selected charging station. Once at the station, park your vehicle and ensure it is in charging mode. Connect the charging cable to your vehicle's charging port. Wait for the charging process to initiate automatically. Follow any on-screen prompts on your vehicle's display if needed. Monitor the charging progress through your vehicle's interface. Once the charging session is complete, disconnect the cable. Enjoy the convenience of charging with plug and charge during your next trip. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.